Are you looking for the best budget gaming desks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best budget gaming desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Arozzi Arena Gaming Desk. The Arozzi Arena ultra-wide curved gaming desk clocks in at 63 wide with a focus on minimalism, creating an understated and confident centerpiece for your gaming setup. The massive width allows it to easily host 3 large monitors or 2 ultra-wide monitors depending on your needs. With 4 inches of height adjustable leeway provided, the ultra-wide removes the primary gripe we have with the Arozzi Arena Fratello model and its lack of said option. Number 2. Basics Gaming Computer Desk. The Amazon Basics Gaming Desk is a product that takes its no-nonsense approach to a gaming desk and delivers a stellar, well-built gaming desk that simply gets their job done. The Amazon Basics Gaming Desk comes in 3 colors, black, blue, and red. It has optional support for a monitor stand that allows it to sport up to a 32-inch monitor with ease. While it is not going to win any awards for customizability or RGB lighting on our list, the Amazon Basics table caters to a different crowd, those looking for value with a solid, sturdy desk, and it delivers very well on those counts. Nothing comes close to this desk at its price point under $100, and even the slightly pricier non-black color options seem to offer a fair value to people simply looking for a desk that in a nutshell just works. Number 3. 7 Warrior Gaming Desk 58. The 7 Warrior Gaming Desk is the only L-shaped desk we are currently recommending. The L-shaped desk may or may not be your primary go-to when it comes to looking at gaming desks, since it does tend to occupy a little more space and requires a room corner to truly make use of the space it needs efficiently. That being said, this does come in a smaller size for those of us unable to fit the larger 58 unit in our rooms. It also supports multi-monitor setups quite well thanks to its form factor. It does however have limited ground clearance, so some larger cases such as the Lian Leo 11 Dynamic XL or some full towers might not fit so snugly under the table. It also comes with an excellent carbon fiber finish on top of a chipboard desktop that is complemented by some of the best RGB lighting solutions we have seen in a budget gaming desk under $200. Number 4. Arozzi Arena Fratello Curved Gaming. The Arozzi Arena Fratello Curved Gaming Desk does check multiple boxes that our team was looking for when it comes to gaming desks. With an included full-length Surface mousepad and a nifty cable management solution, it ranks high on our recommendations list. It comes in a variety of colors that oscillate between black, gray, white, and red, while touting a water-resistant surface that the company claims is easy to clean as a result. All in all, the Swedish company seems to have gone with a minimalistic approach for the Arozzi Arena lineup, and the Fratello seems to be one of the beneficiaries of a less is more design philosophy. Number 5. EUREKA Ergonomic RGB LED Gaming Desk. The EUREKA Ergonomic RGB LED Gaming Desk is a favorite of multiple users on Amazon despite the price point it sells at. And it is quite easy to see why. Not regularly do you see an extremely sturdy table with a scratch-proof, shatterproof, and waterproof glass top that can sustain as much as 200 pounds of load in such a small form factor. A larger option does exist but costs twice as much. With some of the best-in-class RGB lighting that we have ever seen on a gaming desk, the EUREKA doubles down on customization by offering customizable brightness modes, dedicated app controls, as well as the ability to sync it to music being played in the background, and heat-resistant tempered glass top. It is an ideal choice for creators, gamers, and people simply looking for something that stands out in their room to showcase their rig on a classy but unique table.